Welcome back, folks. It's Fastplastic with another installment of how to get that damn bike working again. Today's installment is going to be replacing the starter relay. First task is going to be removing the seats because real bikers don't believe in comfort, and because the relay is actually hidden under the driver's seat. You'll have a simple control wire you'll need to remove, then some Allen screws connecting the power from the battery. The relay itself is just rubber mounted, so you can just pull that right out. Reinstalling is just reversing the order of operations. Drop the relay into the rubber mount, attach the battery power via the Allen screws, plug in the control wires, and I suppose you can put the seats back on, because, you know. Once that's done, you can fire her up. Make sure you didn't screw something up.